Yo, welcome back to my podcast channel. Today, we are talking about a very interesting topic, the parking chaos at Universitas Pamulang. But I'm not alone, because today we have two guest strike from Unpam, Rama and Rifki.
Hello guys.
Hi everyone, my name is Rifki Faya.
And I'm Daki Ramadan. Nice to meet you all.
So, recently, a video went viral about someone tearing the seat of a student motorcycle in the Unpam parking lot. What do you guys think caused this incident?
Cowok ini di Victor. Nih. Udah disobek-sobekin, nih teman gua. Nah, mana dia?
In my opinion, maybe the guy was fed up with students who park carelessly. For the past few days, the parking lot has been super full because of students who park like idiots everywhere. So maybe he was already annoyed and ended up ripping someone's seat out of frustration.
Yeah, so from what I heard, the whole thing started because many students just threw their motor careless anywhere. The guy got pissed at how messy the parking lot was. And that's why he ended up doing that ripping thing.
Wow, interesting. So the main problem is student parking carelessly. Why do students do that? Is it because the parking space too small or what?
From my analysis as an Unpam student, yes, the parking area is pretty small for a campus with this many students. And the guy didn't just rip shit off because blocking his path. Even to one's parking property got ripped.
I think it's also because the university accepts too many students. So the parking is overloaded and many students are simply too lazy to park neatly.
How many students does Unpam actually have, and what majors are there?
From what I know, the communication studies faculty alone in my batch has around 20,000 students across all regular classes.
And overall, Unpam has around 120 students across regular A, B, CK. As for majors, we have communication, law, literature, management, and my others.
So, has the parking always been full since before you entered Unpam, or is it a recent problem?
Yeah, from what I know, it has always been full, even before we were student here.
As I remember, back in semester 2, it wasn't chaotic as now. Back then, it only got jammed when students were leaving. Now, it's get jammed even when arriving.
Why do many students still park carelessly through?
Maybe they're just tired of dealing the current messy condition, so they decided to park anywhere.
Or maybe they're just in a hurry because class start 7 o'clock, so they panic park.
Is security there? If yes, is it effective?
From what I see, the security guard only focus on one area, like the first floor.
I think it's depend on the number of the guard. Right now, there are like 2 or 4 of them. Not super effective, but at least they are trying to deal with the chaos.
So, what are the impacts of messy parking on students?
It blocks the entrance, exit path, cause traffic jam, and super annoying.
Yeah, it's drawing because instead of just parking you back and going to class, something you have to fix other people motorcycle first.
How about your personal experience with Unpam parking?
Honestly, but there's no improvement from the faculty at all.
Same, it's bad. It often gets stuck and chaotic.
Do you guys have any suggestion for the campus?
They should manage the parking system better using security or expand the parking area.
I think they really need to expand the parking space and create more access routes as doesn't jam.
Before we end, what's your final opinion of this issue?
I hope Unpam students can learn from this incident so it doesn't happen again.
I hope students can be more patient and not park recklessly anymore.
Alright guys, that wraps up today's episode. Hug thanks to Rama and Rifki for sharing their experience and insight. Hopefully this discussion opened your eyes about how serious and honestly how chaotic the parking situation at Unpan really is. At the end of the day, we are students here, so keeping the parking area clean, organized, and safe is our shared responsibility. Let's be more aware, park properly, and respect each other's space. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to follow, like, and stay tuned for the next episode. See you guys, and peace out. Bye.